This little simple affirmation has brought me so many miracles in my life, like living here in rural Croatia during a pandemic where most people cannot travel. Today I want to share something so beautiful with you that's going to help you receive so many miracles in your life. I cannot wait to share it with you. Let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Kartika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. So today we're going to learn how to receive miracles. It's really sunny here, sunny Croatia. I also want to do something very special that I've never done on my channel in 10 years of me being on YouTube, 11 years. I've never done this before, but I'm going to do something very special today, and that is I'm going to give out a beautiful special gift that's going to change a lot of your lives. And how to claim that gift you're going to find out towards the end of this video, so stay tuned. So the reason why I'm sharing a personal affirmation with you guys is because I've been on this journey of manifestation since I was 14 years old. Now I am 30 years old. I still look 14, but I am, well, that's a story for another time. I am 30 years old. And in that time, I have learned a lot of different things around manifestation. Is that it's about the three things. You ask. The moment you have a desire, you've already asked for it in the universe. You don't have to ask again and again. It's already done. It's already, nature's heard it. Now, what we need to do is get into the receiving state. This is where most people get really hitched up. They don't know how to relax enough to receive. They're sitting on the edge of their chair, totally not relaxed, totally controlling everything. If it doesn't come in this particular time, they get psyched out. If it doesn't come in this particular form, they get psyched out. They start getting scared. They just don't know how to sit down. And from the fear comes, this is not for me, the universe is against me, all of those things start happening. The point is, sit yourself back down. Learn to relax, learn to breathe, learn to just surrender and allow the present moment to be. That is the true nature of miracles, is if you can just surrender, sit back and relax. So the affirmation is, everything is perfect, just relax. You can also change it to, just relax, everything is perfect. Now the reason why I'm telling you this affirmation is because I want you to practice it 24 hours a day for the next few days. Whatever is happening in your life, just say everything is perfect, just relax. Everything is perfect, just relax. This will make you sit back down on the chair. The moment you relax, nature, by the way, nature does not need a self-help class to become beautiful. It already knows how to do that because it's in relaxation. It's not stressed out. That's all we need to do. So everything is perfect, just relax. Keep repeating this mantra to yourself. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, just put a like and a subscribe. So in 2013, I was in the heart of something called as a panic disorder, which came with, it's an anxiety disorder, and it came with its level of depression. Now at the time I went through many years, three and a half years of trying to overcome this particular disorder. But one book came into my life. It's called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This book is very heavy, but it's like the Bible that you carry with you throughout your life, through different stages of your life, because it will always get you through any negative situation that you're going through. So this particular book got me out of the disorder, got me out of so many different things, and I wish genuinely, now Eckhart Tolle or his team or his world is not in any way sponsoring me or making sure that I start pushing this book. I genuinely I'm so benefited by this book. So because of this book having changed my life, I want to do something very special. First time doing this on my channel. By the way, still want to show you some nature here because it's just so beautiful. I want to do a giveaway. So I want to give this book away to 3 of you guys so that this book transforms 3 of your lives. Simple contest. How do I choose the 3 people? In the description box, you'll find a link to my Instagram. In that, there's the instructions on how to join this very simple contest. Anyone can join it, anyone can participate. Once you join the contest, I'll be able to then find 3 people who can then win this book. I will personally buy the book for you guys, and I will personally send it to your inbox. I mean, to your actual house, not inbox, your actual house address. I will send it to you guys, and you can just attend. Go down into the description box, find the Instagram link, see the instructions, join the contest, and 3 of you will get this book, and it's gonna revolutionize your life. If you're going to be doing this affirmation, just type below in the comments. Everything is perfect. Just relax, and I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. By the way, just want to show you the beautiful backdrop here. So I will see you in another video. I will be giving a full detailed video on how I got here, how I manifested being here. All that is coming up on my channel. Give some time, because I actually want to I'm still in quarantine here, so once I leave quarantine, I will be going to the seaside of this beautiful place. Once I'm in the seaside, I will make that video. By the way, there are like these white flowers, but also these like dandelion wild. Oh, by the way, chamomile grows here wildly on the floor, on the ground. We here in India, for me, chamomile is like, for women, especially menstrual cramps. The moment I have chamomile in my system during menstrual cramps, disappears. I want to show you some nature here because it's just so beautiful. If you liked this video, if you liked this format, just please let me know in the comments. Just give this video a like. Actually, I'll show you this way. Do you see the fields behind? Some more fields here. Yay! There's so many yellow butterflies and white butterflies, and the sound of nature. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up the video with that. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for joining me in my morning walk. I'm actually going to walk back this way through that jungle. Okay, so we're literally going to walk through the jungly part, but there are no crazy snakes here. I mean, there are probably snakes here, but there aren't any poisonous ones. So I'll just show you. I'm literally walking like this through the jungle here because I'm wild. Listen to the sound of nature. Almost reached home. So that's it. We're home. Just pan here. Gonna wrap up the video at that. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to sending this book to 3 of you guys. Please join the contest. It's in the description, and I will see you guys really soon. I love you all. Thank you, and happy manifestations to you all. A little pan of the city, I mean country. I love you. Bye.